In this video, I will show you how to move Windows 11 taskbar icons to the left. So on previous versions of Windows, the start button and things like that would be over on the left hand side. However, on Windows 11, you're now going to find the Windows Start icon and your taskbar icons are now in the center of the taskbar. So if you want to change this, it's really easy to do. All you need to do is right click onto a blank space of your taskbar and then click onto taskbar settings. Once you're in your taskbar settings, scroll down a bit until you see the option for taskbar behaviors. Give that a click and that's going to expand this and bring up some further options. Now you can see the first top result is about taskbar alignment. So all you need to do is simply click onto the drop down box, change this to left. And once you've done that, you'll now see if I come down to my taskbar, that the taskbar icons are now over on the left hand side. So that is how to move Windows 11 taskbar icons to the left. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Windows 11 and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.